welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally doing my Valentine's video, Valentine's haul. I know it's late, I know it's after Valentine's, but as you guys probably have heard, the south was absolutely crushed with the snow the past week, really the past 2 weeks. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. We went from 2 degrees to today's gonna be like almost 70. Can you believe it? I mean, this is like, this can only happen in the south. And yeah, obviously the packages were not delivered. I've ordered a couple of things and everything just came like with over a week delay. So yeah, that's why this video is late, but nevertheless I'm finally doing it. So yesterday evening, you guys, I've got the order from the Christian Dior, and this is something that I have never ordered. This is the first time I'm trying it, and we will unbox this together. It's sealed, you guys, it's sealed. It's absolutely beautiful packaging, and I as much as I wanted to open yesterday evening, I just said I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna do it on camera so we can together open up this beautiful box. So before I get to it, which is like really my kind of a Valentine's gift, I purchased 2 other things this past week, over a week ago, and I have to keep one of them because it just doesn't make any sense if I keep both. And these are the Prada sneakers. I got 2 different ones, different to the extent, but I just want to kind of share with you guys. I kind of know which ones I'm leaning towards, but again, I like to treat myself, you know, and Valentine's Day is just like a little excuse to purchase something for myself as well. Why not? So I have been really looking at these shoes for a few months, and I waited too long, you guys, because the color that I wanted originally was sold out. So I end up purchasing the silver, which they had in my my size, and I really specifically wanted the nylon. I'm so into the nylon these days, and I really like everything about the shoe. I mean, like a classic style. Yeah, I'm just not sure if I will be able to style them with everything, although they kind of go pretty much with everything outside, like silver. I don't know, what do you guys think? So I was kind of on the fence. That's why I end up purchasing another ones, which I'm gonna show you in a second. But what I love about these sneakers is just the fact that they're a very classic style, and I just feel like, you know, I mean, they look like a normal sneakers. The only, you know, Prada logo that you have is right here on the, you know, on the thong. And I don't know, I just thought they look so cute. And like I mentioned, originally I wanted black. They also came up with the navy blue, which would be my second choice, and I never really considered silver, but I end up purchasing them, I believe, from Saks, and I'm pretty sure they're nearly sold out because they've been out for a while. So I don't know, I'm just kind of on the fence. So this is the sneaker number 1. Okay, so here's the box from the second sneakers that I purchased. Again, I just couldn't make up my mind, and the ones that I picked up are these beautiful white sneakers. Probably my camera is like washing it out because everything is white, but this was another one that I was considering, but I really was into the nylon, and these are leather, which, you know, it's kind of a better, I guess, better choice. But again, these are exactly the same style. So you have the Prada logo here on the thong, and these are all exactly the same, except they are made from this, I don't know what it is. Is this a lambskin? This is so incredibly soft, you guys. Like this thong, like even here inside, when I put my foot into it, it was just so incredibly soft. I don't know, maybe it's a lambskin, I have no idea, but they do have a little bit of that kind of a light pink color, and of course the sole is kind of pinkish. I don't know, they're very cute. What do you guys think? So this is my dilemma. Should I you know, should I keep these or should I go for the silver? I mean, honestly, I would like to keep both, but I just don't think it's worth. So yeah. So here's my little haul. I'm leaning probably towards more towards the white, because you know, white are classic, although these look very kind of nice as well. So I don't know, tell me what you guys think. There's also, by the way, there's like a little Prada, you probably won't be able to see, written here on the sole. And yeah, very beautiful, very comfortable. I think they're gonna be very nice kind of to-go sneakers. And yeah, I'm probably gonna keep white because they are more like classic and they'll just go with everything. All right guys, let's do this. Let's unbox this Dior box. And I'm just thinking how this is literally like a seal, like a wax kind of seal, which I think it's like a sticker, but I can't even take it off. There we go. But it's okay, maybe that's how you do it. All right, so I can just kind of slide this to the side. All right, let's open this up. How do I do that? There we go. Ooh, that's a beautiful packaging. Is this like a dust bag? Wow, look at this. This is literally a dust bag. It says Christian Dior on both sides. Why is there a dust bag? But anyway, here's a little sticker. It says Maison Christian Dior. So let's just undo this. And because it was like a Valentine's kind of, you know, gift before the Valentine's, they included a lot of like extras. So let's see. Here we go. Okay, let's take a look at the extras first. All right, so things that were like kind of like a bonus. I wish they would put it in a bigger box. They just crushed this cosmetic case. Yeah, I have something similar, to be honest with you. So you can just, you know, certainly use it for your, you know, in your handbag as a little cosmetic pouch. I wish they wouldn't fold it like this. That was completely brainless, but yeah, I think I'm able to straighten it up. So yeah, it's very cute. I think one of them I keep in my car with like some feminine products, you know, just in case. So I usually keep one there. Okay, the next thing that wasn't here is like this little baggie, and I'm pretty sure this is like a sample. Yeah, so I got a tiny one of the Rose and Roses. That's little perfumes. And then what else I got? Rose Gypsy. So this is from their again from their boutique line. This is the perfume. I believe this is the one I wanted to try. Ambre Nude. This is another one I wanted to try. And again, buying perfume online, you guys, it's not easy. And Dior Amour. So I got 3 different, so I can actually, you know, test them out. I do have the gray. If you're familiar with Christian Dior perfumes, I do have a gray perfume, and I'm kind of back and forth. One day I like it, another way I don't really care much about it. So I was not gonna purchase a full size. And then they gave me a sample of the red lipstick, you guys, and because of, you know, the Valentine's, but honestly, look how cute it is. Honestly, I never wear red. Never, but this is, oh, so red. By the way, the one I have on is the Wife vs. Secretary by Gucci. A really nice color. I love this one. Kind of looks scary in a bullet. If you guys remember, I talked about this at some point. Looks scary in a bullet, but it's pretty good. Okay, and this is like a little Dior ribbon. Completely useless, I think. I have one of those already. Okay, so this is where you are. I also ordered some extra stuff. So this one is a brow eye pencil. I just ran out of the brown kind of liner, and I like to put a brow eyeliner underneath my on my kind of lower lashes here. I just feel like it always looks a little bit softer. I don't really use black. Black I'll put on the top, and usually I use the liquid Tom Ford. But I've decided to try this brown. I usually use the one from YSL, which I ran out of, so I've got this one. We'll see how it's gonna work. All right, there's some more stuff in here. I don't know. So the main perfume is obviously here, and it's all sealed. But what's on the bottom? You guys, is this like a little cushion? Oh my goodness. This is crazy. This is cushion. They made like a little cushion. Christian Dior cushion. So the perfume actually stays, yeah, there's like some kind of something, like a little soft beads inside. So this is like a cushion for your perfume. Isn't that something? Well, thank you. I really love the packaging, I have to admit. All right guys, so let's do this. Let me unpack this, and we're gonna, well, I'm gonna smell it and I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna admit I did a lot of research, and I watched a lot of videos with people, you know, describing perfumes, talking about the perfumes, because, you know, it's hard. I'm sorry, I'm making the noise. It's very difficult to buy perfumes, you know, online without smelling it. So I know what I like, and I have decided to pick the, I think it's called a cashmere. I cannot speak French. I cannot pronounce French, but I'm pretty sure it means cashmere. So the bottle is just amazing. This feels so substantial. Let's see. Let's do it together. So this reminds me of the LV a little bit, like, you know, it's like very kind of magnetic. Okay, let's go for it. Oh, it's so beautiful. You guys, this is a spring in the bottle. This is so nice. This is so beautiful, very refreshing, very. It's a little, it has a little of the florals, because, you know, I do like floral perfume, but I don't like when they are overwhelmed, and I don't like sweets too much. A little hint of sweet is fine, but purely sweet perfume is not good. This one is so refreshing. This is beautiful, and oh my god, honestly, you guys, I feel like everybody can wear this. Yes. Oh, I'm so happy. This was such a good choice. Oh, I wish I had like a real Dior boutique near me, you know, so I could go smell this thing. I only have like a cosmetic counter, which they don't really carry those perfumes. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's very neutral, and I feel like, yeah, I feel like everybody can wear it. Could be men's, could be women's. I would lean toward more towards the women, but honestly, everybody can go for it. This is beautiful. So, okay, I'm happy that it was a great choice. Great, good for me. Okay, guys, so this is it for today. Yeah, I'm kind of happy with the purchasing. So this is obviously, the perfume is from my husband, but the shoes I purchased myself, because, like I said, I like to treat myself, okay, and I take every single excuse to buy myself something. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna keep trying the shoes on, and I'm gonna make a decision, but most likely I think I'm gonna keep the white ones, because I feel like the white is just white, so they will just go with everything. So yeah, if I can, anything that I can find, I'm gonna link down below. Definitely, I'm pretty sure these shoes are available, because these are pretty new. The nylon ones, they were out for a while, so they're very limited, almost impossible to find right now. So yeah, and I think I purchased like one of the last ones. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I guess I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.